Hey everyone, I'm Brandon Lee, the founder of Funnel Amplified, and I want to share this little training video with you on article sharing and promotion copy. Now, if you are an individual sales rep using our platform, you are by all means have every right just to click this button right here and skip this step entirely. However, if you are the marketing person or you're on the sales team and your role is to continually add articles into the Personal Content Hub library, you definitely want to take advantage of this feature. What it allows you to do is to pre-write promotional copy to promote the article that you just added into our platform, that you're making available to all your sales team, your C-suite, whoever it may be, to share with their customers. Now, what this is going to do is allow them, once they decide they have an article they want to share, it'll give them the ability to one click and save this copy and then paste it in a text message, in a LinkedIn message, any sort of instant messaging, or even take an entire snippet and add it to an email that's either part of a sequence or an email that they're just sending directly to somebody. That's the value of this section. Now, you have three different promotional copies that you can add. We title them text, direct message, and snippet. But really, they're just three different lengths of copy or promotion copy that you can add. So what I'm going to do, I pre-wrote these so you didn't have to sit there and get bored watching me type them out. But here's one that's the length of a good length for a text message. Here is a second one that I pre-wrote that is a good length, I think, for a direct message like in Instagram or in LinkedIn or something like that, any sort of a direct messaging tool. And then here is a piece that's actually three short paragraphs long, but it's something that they could, take and, copy and add into an email or send it as an entire email. It helps the salespeople save a ton of time when they see an article that they want to share. They don't have to think about what to say about it. You have already done the work for them. Or if you're the salesperson, you can do it once. Yeah, it takes a little bit of time to write it, but once you get it and it's in here, you can one click, copy it to your clipboard, and then paste it and share it with any of your prospects that are inside your buyer intent dashboard. That's really it. When you're done, you come up to the top and you click next, and you are all set and ready to go.